Very good morning, students. This is your class for business studies, and in this class we are just going to revise the concept that is within the first unit, the introduction of business, the various parts of it and various subparts of it. So first of all, we are going to start with business. So what is business? Business is an economic activity that is performed by using various products as raw material, then we convert it into finished good, and then we sell them into market with the objective of profit. That is business. Then further, business is classified into two types. The first one is industry and the second one is commerce. Now what is industry? Industry is a place where the processing of raw material and conversion of it into finished product is going on. And on the other hand, commerce is a set of activity basically which include all the activities which are involved in providing the goods to the customer. Okay? Now there are three types of industry: the primary industry, the secondary industry and the tertiary industry. So let's talk about primary industry. So basically, what is primary industry? Primary industry is the industry that is dealing with natural products as raw material. They are using nature as their raw material. Okay? Now primary industry is further divided into two parts. The first is genetic, which converts the genes of plants and animals to produce something new, and extractive, in which we are extracting something from the nature, okay, like mining, etc. Secondary industry is further divided into two parts. The first is manufacturing, in which we produce something, we manufacture something. It is further divided into four types. Analytical industry, where we analyze something. Synthetic industry, where synthesis is done. Processing industry, where we process the raw material into finished goods. And assembling industry, where we have already produced goods and we just need to assemble them. The second type of secondary industry is constructive industry, like construction of building, bridges, road, etc. And the third type, that is tertiary industry, is concerned with the service sector of yours. Alright, this is concerned with service sector. Coming to the commerce, commerce include all those activities which are involved in providing the goods to the customer. Alright, commerce is divided into two parts: trade and auxiliaries to trade. What is trade? Trade is buying and selling of goods and services. What are auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade? These are the activities which remove the hindrances in the way of trade. Okay, this help in smooth running of trade. Now trade is further divided into two parts: internal as well as external. Now what is internal trade? That is within the boundaries of the country, and external, that is beyond the boundaries of the country. In internal trade, there are three types: the local trade, which is in your village or city level; then the state trade, which is continuing in your state; and the national trade, which is continuing between various states. Next is external trade. External trade is further divided into three types. The first is import, when you purchase goods from abroad; export, when you sell goods to abroad; and interport, when you purchase goods from one nation, then import it to your country and then sell that to another nation, that is interport. Next is aids to trade. Aids to trade is the facilities or the activities which remove the hindrances from trade. So it is also of five types. Aids to trade. First is transport. So transport helps the producer to provide goods to transport goods from one place to another, because there is a difficulty to the producer. That producer is sitting in Delhi and he have to sell his goods in some another place, and there he can't go everywhere to sell his goods. So transport is helpful there. Next is warehousing. Warehousing is helping the producer to store the goods. Why the producer need to store the good? Because some products are they are produced in a particular season and sold throughout the year. So the producer produce them a particular season and then store them in the warehouse and then sell it throughout the year. Next is insurance. If a businessman is doing a business, that directly means there is a risk involved in it, and the risk is reduced with the help of insurance. Okay, in case of any loss, the insurance company will compensate you. Next is banking. No person is big enough to arrange for all the finance that is needed in the business. So he or she needs to take finance from some another place. So from where will he get finance? The finance will be available from banking sector itself. Okay, and the last one is advertisement. So Like you are producing a good, who will give this information to the customer? How the customer will be aware of your product? That will be with the help of advertisement. When you advertise your product, then the customer will come to know that there is a product like this and this will be available in the market and you need to purchase that. All right. So this was all about business. We have revised the whole of first unit in this. I hope you understood this. Have a very good day, students.